I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Plex conversion failed, the transcoder crashed error. This frustrating error message pops up right when you try to play a movie or TV show, and it means the background engine responsible for converting your video has unexpectedly stopped working. It is usually triggered by corrupted temporary files, incorrect hardware settings, or permission bugs after a server update. Fortunately, you can usually get your video playing again by checking a few quick settings. Step 1. Open the Plex web app on your server and click the Settings wrench icon in the top right corner. Navigate to the Settings section in the menu on the left side of the screen and then select Transcoder from that menu. Step 2. Click Show Advanced on the Transcoder settings page to reveal the hidden options. Step 3. Locate the Transcoder temporary directory field. If this box is completely empty, Plex uses your default operating system drive. If you have a file path typed in here, double check that the folder actually exists on your hard drive and that your server has full read and write permissions to it. If the folder was deleted or renamed, the transcoder will crash instantly. Step 4. Scroll down on the same page and temporarily uncheck the box next to Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and then click Save Changes. If your graphics card drivers are outdated or glitched, forcing software transcoding will temporarily stop the crashing. If your video still fails to play, the issue is likely a corrupted transcoder cache. You can easily fix this by completely closing down your Plex Media Server application. Navigate to your main Plex Media Server directory folder on your computer or NAS device, locate the folder named Cache, and open it. Inside, find the folder named Transcode and delete everything inside of it. This wipes out any broken temporary data and forces Plex to build a fresh cache the next time you start your stream. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.